Hello, this is part 3 of the painting video of sunflowers. I have let my painting dry a bit, and so we are now going to add more details. I'm mixing more brown and making it darker than the previous one. And now I'm adding fine lines and dark shadows. So again, please keep looking at your reference photo so you know where to put the dark areas and the fine lines. You don't want to put a lot, you just want to put enough to make it look real or 3D. Let me also remind you that you will not be able to achieve this effect if your paper is wet. So you may use a blow dryer to quickly dry your paper. So now we're going to do the background. So the background in our reference photo is a cobalt blue. Some of the watercolor palettes have cobalt blue, so you may use that, or you may use any other blue that you have. So I'm just going to wet my pan. We have to wet our paper first. So let me leave this here. Get another brush, a smaller one, and wet the sides. I'm not going to wet the paper that's near my sunflower. I'm just going to wet the surrounding areas. And it's a little yellow. And after I wet, I'm going to add the paint, beginning from the sunflower, going towards the wet area. So let's get cobalt blue, and then start where you want the darkest area to be. And slowly paint around. I think I have too much paint. Add a little more water so that it's going to spread. This area now is very hard to spread because the paint has dried, and as you can see, there are dark lines. The only thing that I can do is add more paint to make it darker and to cover those lines. But that's okay. Let's try to do it. There. When doing washes, you have to work a little faster. Otherwise, some paints will dry. So I'm adding more water around the edges so that it flows towards the area where I wet it. I'm going to speed it up a bit. And at this point, I'm gonna use gravity. So I'm going to tilt my paper a bit so that the water and the paint will flow towards where more water is. Tilt a little more. Add more water. Smoothen out a little hard edges. Continue going around the sunflower. and turn the paper around so we can work on the other side. And it's done! I hope you enjoyed painting this sunflower as much as I enjoyed making this video. Bye!